The 2001 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, anti-theft security system, cruise control, 60/40 split rear bench seat, auto headlight on/off. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.